From the other systems I've used, I see Tenna at the top. By setting up geofences, noticing missing pieces of equipment, being able to go back and recover them before the job gets to a point to where it's kind of gone. I would say in the savings of anywhere from $50,000 to $120,000. The construction background influence comes into play because you guys understand the equipment, the ebbs and flows of the business. I'd say the best part with the experience is coming in and helping us set up. You guys understood the equipment. You came in with your PPE, which is a huge thing in the industry. Some of your other vendors just don't even understand that. They came in, they taught my mechanics how to do it. More than anything is the labor that we have to deal with. You have a variety of people in the field, from your youngsters first getting in and guys that have been around a long time. It's very user-friendly. The safety and compliance has helped our company based on all of our drivers being aware that they're being tracked to make them drive safer. So we have seen our accident rate drop. It's super handy with our vehicles when I get that phone call that somebody was cut off, and I can nail it down to exactly who it is. Our cranes, they all go out with crane certs in the crane, which is required, but after a couple days on a job, they tend to go missing. So if on the job an inspector or we're getting ready to make a crane pick and he wants to see the pick plan or he wants to see the crane certs, if they're not in the crane, they can stop work, which in turn we've been able to provide right in the phone app, and they've accepted it. That's saved us from having to stop work in the middle of, when we have concrete on site, so potentially saving us thousands of dollars. Tenna's bringing us value in the field and in the shop, making sure we don't miss our maintenance schedules and making sure we get our normal maintenance done in a timely manner. When I think of Tenna as being a part of our business plan, it's a necessity. If I'm without my phone or iPad and I don't have access to it, I tend to struggle. The customer service is what sells us on Tenna, and where I see us continuing to be a long-term customer.